Hello everyone, José Antonio here. Let's see how you can add a post to your Padlet wall. The first thing you have to come to this plus sign. When you see the little pen, you click, a window pops up here. All right, you say you put the title tutorial, put JA like José Antonio. Okay, this is how to post a link, right? So when you say whatever you want, you have these options. Okay, you can add an attachment, okay, something from your computer, an audio. You can add a video from your computer, or you can come here. So if I click here, all right, I have from your device. You can choose a file or from the web. I'm going to choose from the web, and that's what you do with Vocaroo. So I come here, I'm going to choose this one here. Yeah, good. All right. So I come here, I just paste the URL here, click on this little arrow, and then okay, voila, it's done. So your video's here, whatever. So that's how Clara did with this Vocaroo. That's how Ankika did. All right, so that's how you do it. All right, I hope it helps. Goodbye.